So let's test authentication agent forwarding. I have, as previously, loaded my private key into Pageant and I'm ready to go. So let's bring up PuTTY and connect to STU. And once we have done this, we should be logged into our student server. And now I can test whether authentication agent forwarding, as we previously configured it, is now working, because now we will connect to our Git server and we will see whether we have access to that, and the server will reply back with a list of repositories I'm allowed to access. So the command then, because we're now on the command line here on a remote Linux system that uses OpenSSH, so the command to invoke SSH is not surprisingly SSH itself. Since the connection will not result in a login session, we will just request to suppress terminal allocation with the -T option. And then the username on the remote system is git, and then the server name is git.cs.kysu.edu. And what that does is it connects to that account, presenting a credential based on our private key, and which includes parts of the public key. The system will then go through its list of public keys that it knows, will make a match, determine our authenticity and identity based on that, and reply back with a list of repositories. So when I execute this by hitting enter now, just like before with PuTTY, this is a new connection to an unknown system. So we are asked to cache the host key, and here we will have to type yes to indeed continue connecting and cache the host key. And then the system knows that we are obviously Harry Potter, and gives us back a list of repositories that we are allowed to read and create. And therefore we know that authentication agent forwarding works. Let's connect one more time just to ensure that the key caching actually has worked. So once again, if I connect now, I will not be asked to cache the key again. Therefore, authentication agent forwarding works and everything is configured correctly.